How to make money online. It seems like a lot of people are asking this question these days, and one of the most common ways to answer it is to teach others how to do it themselves. These 5 ways to make money online are tried and true methods that can help you earn extra cash while working from home. Give them all a try and see which one works best for you. If you already have your own business set up, this can be a great way to bring in additional income. If you don't have one yet, why not start with this one? Here are 5 proven ways to help you earn that extra cash. Number 1. Selling on Amazon. If you're looking for ways to make money online, selling products on Amazon is a great option. You can start with just a few items and build up your inventory over time. Plus, Amazon provides tools and resources to help you get started and be successful. Here's how to get started selling on Amazon. Become an Amazon seller by registering your account as a professional seller. It's easy. All you need is a valid email address and credit card information to set up your account. Upload product listings by using the Seller Central dashboard, or create them beforehand. As soon as they're live, they'll automatically show up in Amazon search results. Once you're live on Amazon, advertise your listings however you want. We recommend trying Facebook ads. But be warned that it can take some time before your ads start showing any results, weeks or even months. Number 2. Investing in cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for ways to make money online, investing in cryptocurrencies could be a great option. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that can be used as a form of payment or investment. While there are many different types of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is the most well-known. Cryptocurrency trading platforms such as Coinbase allow you to buy and sell Bitcoin and other coins with ease. Coinbase charges fees on transactions, but it is possible to avoid these fees by transferring your cryptocurrency from one wallet service provider to another before making your purchase. When considering whether or not to invest in cryptocurrencies, keep an eye on the following 3 factors. 1. How much does it cost per transaction? 2. How volatile is the coin? 3. What are its chances of being accepted widely? These factors will help you determine if now is a good time to invest in this emerging asset class. Number 3. Becoming a virtual assistant. One of the easiest ways to make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative, creative, or technical support to clients remotely. If you have exceptional organizational skills and can handle running errands without any supervision, this could be a great opportunity for you. To get started, find companies in your area that are hiring VAS and do some research on their requirements and what they offer as benefits. Once you've found an opportunity that seems like a good fit for you, reach out to them with your qualifications so they can decide if they want to set up an interview with you. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. So, if you have a website or blog and want to make money from it, you can sign up as an affiliate with a company and start promoting their products. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. You may be asked to provide some information about yourself before you're accepted as an affiliate. The good news is that there are a lot of great companies out there looking for affiliates, so even if they don't accept you right away, they might later on down the line. You can also create your own product and then market it through social media like Facebook or Twitter. Number 5. Freelancing. One great way to make money online is to start freelancing. Whether you're a writer, editor, graphic designer, or web developer, there are always companies willing to pay for your services. And the best part is that you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. You'll need to build up your portfolio and decide what you want to specialize in, for example design versus content writing, but once you do, it's just a matter of finding the right clients on sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You might even be able to find some freelance jobs on social media sites like LinkedIn and Facebook groups related to your field of expertise. The other big advantage to freelancing is that it gives you the opportunity to work with more than one company at a time, which means more income coming in. Now, if you enjoyed my video, please give it a like and subscribe and let me know in the comments below which one of these methods seems the best for you.